Away from Florida to see the man himself, no man else, but him lost my phone. When I really care, I guess why. I guess I'm showing the man himself. So all the day and all class, bye.
Oh boy, and it never ends. New Rules Festival says thank you to everyone for attending. Check out their posts on Instagram. Either way, I'm here to stop the rumors as usual. So just to make it clear, Jamaican Star and the Jamaican Observer had verified that Alkaline show was at capacity. For those who don't know what that word means, meaning that it was sold out to the max. No other attendees were allowed to come. It was just the ground that was supposed to be the only part that people stay on. And either way, there's a certain limit just because of fire and safety that you're allowed to have at a venue. This is just like common sense knowledge. But either way, it's been verified. So let me read piece of the Jamaica Star's article. Alkaline shuts down Trelawny. New Rules pack stadium to capacity. July 7, 2025. Alkaline's New Rules, which promised a night of lyrical fire, unfiltered talent, exceeded even the boldest expectations. But not everyone got to witness the magic. With the parking maxed out and the Trelawny multi-purpose stadium venue packed to capacity, which means he sold out the stadium. Some goers did not get a chance to see the man himself. Shazar, Alkaline's publicist, said Vendetta fans showed up in their thousands. The crowd was electric, singing word for word from the moment Alkaline stepped on stage. The love was overwhelming. The article tells some more information about how it's been 3 years since Alkaline did a New Rules in Jamaica because, we had COVID, of course. And this made the anticipation even more high. It talks about how some people were crying to see Alkaline and how cell phones lit up to capture every moment. It also highlighted that this was an opportunity for the island's entertainers to show off their talent.
How are you feeling? You enjoying yourself?
Yeah, come and drink before me even start. You see?
Okay, thank you. How much of an Alkaline fan are you?
200 out of 100.
Alright, tell me your favorite song by him and let us know the lyrics.
Nonchalant. You see? The dog say, I don't even want to sing it right now because I'm drunk, but Nonchalant are the best song me like, you see?
Thank you. What's your name?
Demo. You can follow me on Gram. Accusation_1. Make sure you follow me still because I'm like you.
Alright, thank you so much, Demo.
Join the party.
Alright, I'm fine. Thank you so much. Yeah.